I believe that if you give any young person a time to be solely focused on one pursuit for an extended period of time, that helps their brain development in a specific way so that they learn how to learn. There's still a sense of being able to step past that and believe that you can really accomplish anything if you can get through this drama school and work from 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. for 4 years with the same 20 people. There's a sense of being able to accomplish whatever you set your mind to. My most exciting artistic experiences have really been trying to figure out how to take what I've learned and apply it to work. So I am now the manager of international community marketing for Flatiron School, which is a coding bootcamp. We teach software engineering and data science and soon UX and UI design. And that's a WeWork company, so we're expanding really rapidly all over the world, and I am the happiest I've been in the past 10 years.